The Pakewill stand mixer in its vibrant green color is not only stylish, but also boasts a powerful 380-watt motor that operates at ultra-low noise levels, ensuring a peaceful kitchen environment. With 10+ P-speed settings, this mixer offers great versatility, allowing you to precisely control the mixing process for a wide range of recipes, from cakes to salads. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl and attachments, making it simple to add ingredients and ensuring thorough mixing with the dough hook, wire whisk, or flat beater. Equipped with anti-slip feet and overheating protection, this mixer stays stable during use and automatically stops if it overheats, ensuring both safety and convenience. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl is not only large enough for big batches, but also easy to clean, as all attachments are dishwasher safe, making it ideal for everyday use. Pakewill provides excellent customer support with 24-hour, 7-day online assistance, giving you peace of mind with your purchase.